From the dawn of time, people have always wanted power. Our artists sing songs about it. Some use money, politics, influence, and a lot of things. There was a book named 48 Laws of Power. This book was so influential and insightful, it was banned in prisons and even in some countries. It articulates 48 laws to attain and maintain power. And would you believe that these laws are used knowingly and unknowingly around us every day? Even in music, whether they talk about the gangster life or love, most dance hall songs echo the sentiments of how to get, maintain, or take power. Law 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Reputation is the cornerstone of power. Through reputation alone you can intimidate and win. Once it slips, however, you are vulnerable and will be attacked on all sides. Make your reputation unassailable. Always be alert to potential attacks and thwart them before they happen. Meanwhile, learn to destroy your enemies by opening holes in their own reputations. Then stand aside and let public opinion hang them. Whether we know it or not, we all lust for an advantageous reputation. How many times have you heard someone ask, "Haven't you heard about me?" Or, "Don't you know where I come from?" Whether it's an area of living, family, or personal reputation, reputation alone can get you out of certain situations. In every artist's career, they have to find their lane. Whether they are a gangster artist, girl song artists, conscious artists, and the jack of all trades, people generally judge you based on your past actions. If Dexter Daps was to suddenly produce only gun songs, his core audience would be diminished. And it is very similar in clashing. Alkaline recently has developed a reputation of destroying his opponents in every clash he has been in. Artists that would think of clashing him are very hesitant, unless they have a similar track record such as Massacre and Vibes Cartel. An artist that has transgressed this law is Silk Boss. He didn't have a strong team around him to maintain his status and reputation. After the viral video of him being beaten, his gangster image has been shattered. When he sings about violence or gangsterism, people won't take him completely serious again. In this world, reputation can be your greatest weapon and your biggest downfall.